I'm Rie. I'm a Tasty producer. So my friends at Tasty Japan introduced me at Mara Daigaku this giant goma dango, which is a crispy, fried, sesame-coated mochi ball. The restaurant was kind enough to teach me how to make it, but here's the catch. They can only introduce me the technique, but the recipe has to be kept a secret, and I will only have one chance to make it. I've also been informed that there is only one chef at the restaurant that knows how to make it, so it seems like it will be very challenging. But let's see how I do. So I'm at Mara Daigaku, and this is Chef Ra. He's going to teach me the technique of how to make giant rice ball. But here's the thing, he only speaks Chinese. I don't speak Chinese. And see, we're gonna be best friends after this. Let's do it. Okay, じゃあお願いします。So the temperature is quite low than I expected. So he's shaking in a giant wok. So he just told me temperature is 80 to 90 Celsius. He said temperature is very important and make sure keeping the perfect round shape. 失敗だ。If the best chef makes mistake, that makes me feel a little better. So what I noticed is the bowl is big. And also it's already warm. I think that's the important part. Woo! He's using two tools. One is colander and one is huge ladle and pouring a little bit oil around it. So I think first one was too brown too quickly. From starting point and right now it's only took like 3 minutes. So it's happening quite quickly. Oh my god. Do you think I can do this?
Of course.
What did I sign up for? So I just asked him, when do you know it's done? And he said, when it's nice golden brown, he knows it's ready.彼に私できると思いますかって聞いてもらっていいですか？
还是他答还是我答？
Did you see his face?
No.
No, no, no. Okay. No, 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 no.
感觉是说手拿起有点烫人了。
So we are checking temperature, like kind of touching on the surface of the oil. It's kind of hot and nice, so I think we are ready. Yeah? Okay. Oh. You have to like rotate, I think. I think it's so difficult, like it has to be like that. Okay. So he helped me at the beginning, so it's become round and it's more like a balloon than a ball, so it's easier to, it's so difficult. So he's kind of rotating like all the way around, and it's just difficult to like spin like that. はい、ありがとうございます。はい。It's a little easier, but it's go a little difficult because it's bigger now. I don't know what I'm doing. It's kind of like a beach balloon floating on the surface. Mine's deflating. Oh no. It's so difficult. Look, he fixed my mistake. Thank you. He's kind of picking one side and rotating like that. It's very difficult to spinning this huge thing in the oil and it's hot, so you're kind of scared. And you have to also splash the oil when you are like spinning. Look how small mine and like not pretty. I wasn't able to do it by myself. I got a lot of help from Chef Ra. So to be honest, I didn't think I was able to do it just one shot, let alone one day or a month. Chef Ra is a master of his craft, and it requires a lot of practice. And this makes me respect all the chefs and craftsmen make difficult things look easy. I have more appreciation for this dish, and most importantly, Chef Ra and I are BFFs.